This week, we will be talking about half steps and whole steps. A half step or a whole step is the term that we use to talk about the distance between two notes in a scale. A half step is the distance between any two adjacent notes on the piano keyboard, say between A and B flat, or maybe C sharp to D. To be a half step, the keys on the piano must be next to each other with no other keys in between. A whole step is made up of two half steps. On the piano, this means there will be a key left between the two pitches, say C to D, where the C sharp is left untouched, or G flat to A flat, where the G natural is left untouched. To be a step, there must be only one key on the piano between the two pitches. Here are some more examples. This interval, F to F sharp, is a half step. Notice there are no keys between them. This interval, E flat to F, is also a half step. Notice there are no keys between the two keys. This interval, A to B, is a whole step. Notice there is one key between them, A sharp or B flat. This interval, C sharp to D sharp, is a whole step. Notice that the D between the two keys is left unplayed. Also notice that the only white key half steps are between E and F and B and C. While most whole steps will move from white key to white key or black key to black key, whole steps from E flat to F, E to F sharp, B flat to C, and B to C sharp will involve both a white and black key. To review, a half step is the distance between any two keys on the piano keyboard. A whole step is made up of two half steps, and the piano has one key left untouched between two adjacent notes. Your fingering chart is built up of half steps. Whole steps, then, would have you going from one note on your fingering chart and skipping one to the next note. A whole step on your fingering chart being every other note. There is an illustration that you may study on the Canvas page for further review. Don't forget to take the whole step and half step quiz found in the Canvas in the modules section under the weekly lesson page for the week. Whole steps and half steps are materials we use to build scales, about which more we'll talk next week.